Hi, it's Beatrice here with a really fast tutorial that you really need to know. Okay, so, lasso tool. I did a video on that before, go see that, but there's a version of the lasso tool that's really cool that I didn't know about till like this week, and I really wish I knew this a long time ago. So basically, what the lasso tool is, you right click, and then you press the wand tool, the magic wand, because it's magical. And if you want to do really quick, like flat color, you select the outside of your character. If you didn't select it all at once, just press shift and then click inside the part you didn't select, and then select button at the top left, and you click inverse, and then you pick whatever color you want, and you make a layer under the line art, and you paint bucket that, and then look, you have a solid base to work on. And you can do this with every single bit so that you don't have to color clothes. Want color for clothes? Color! It happened! Amazing. Anyways, I really wanted to show this to you guys because this saves so much time. Ooh, so much time. I hope you can use this too. I'm pretty sure most programs have this magic tool lasso thing going on, and I just didn't know about it. So I hope you now know. Bye!